up guys, in this video I will be unboxing and showing you the features of having the Ballet crypto cold storage wallet. And before we start with the unboxing guys, just a little disclosure, Ballet sent the crypto storage wallet to me so I can do my own personal honest review about that, and I'm not in any way obliged to mention anything outside of my personal observation. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Ballet's landing page. Link will be in the description of the video. So it is created by Bobby Lee. And just a quick trivia on what Ballet is. Ballet was founded in 2019 and they are based in Las Vegas, Nevada in the United States of America. And one of their main products is the crypto cold storage wallet, which I am unboxing right now. So the Real Series is, according to Ballet, the easiest to use electronic physical crypto wallet. And just like any other wallets guys, its primary job is to provide security and keep the private and public keys safely. Alright, so in this Ballet store guys, you could go ahead and choose if you would like to go with the 24K gold plated, which is this one. It also has that display acrylic, the magnetic acrylic frame, if you would phrase that way. So it's stylish and you could use this to, you know, put it in like a stand or something. And this is the other option that you could go to. So this is the stainless steel version of the crypto wallet, and you could choose the logo. All right, so I have this one right here, so the Bitcoin and the Ethereum. You could also choose the XRP or the real pizza. So if you are a fan of that, you could go ahead and check on that in the store as well. All right, so right now the prices are here, so you could see that the stainless steel is at $35, and then this 24K gold plated is at $99. Is that they support 100 plus tokens that you could choose from. And just like what you could see in the unboxing guys, it is wrapped in a tamper-proof packaging, which also includes the instruction to get you started in using the product. And what stood out in the gold-plated version guys is that it's pretty much similarly packaged. It's just that the gold-plated one has a bigger package and a better looking box, which is this one. Let me show you this. All right, just like what you see on screen. And in the unboxing, I actually did an ASMR type of unboxing for you guys. That way you could see and feel what the material of the packaging is and what the material of the actual crypto storage wallet is. While this may look like your ordinary credit card guys, there is a very nice premium feel to it, which lets you know that this cold storage wallet is special in its own looks and aesthetic. Now, the Ballet app, you could go to the Play Store or your Apple Store to download that. And just like others as well, guys, the app is also allowing you to purchase crypto through third-party services. Though I wouldn't recommend it since most of them involves fees that are higher than other exchanges, but it's all up to you. So you can go ahead and check that out, see how much the fees are, and see for yourself if that is something where you would like to purchase those cryptos, or you would like to go to your well-known centralized exchanges and then purchase your crypto there and then send it over to your crypto wallet. Alright, anyway, though it is a cold storage wallet, guys, the private key has already been printed on it. And for some crypto enthusiasts, this may pose a risk that somebody else in the production may have already noted it. But Ballet mentioned that the manufacturing process is carefully designed so that private keys will not be accessed by any of their employees. And to add up to your security, guys, they also have added a two-factor authentication, which you may check out more information about that in this website. So you could also check out their website right here where it says security and trust, and a lot of other areas in their website where you could go ahead and read through a lot of different things about Ballet itself and their products. All right, to wrap this all up, guys, I think this is a good product to have in terms of having that feel of security and not feeling that your crypto assets are just floating in the digital space. And the way that you're sending your crypto involves confirming it and scanning the code on the actual card instead of just sending it over using the wallet like MetaMask or any other crypto wallet out there that does not have any physical item that you could go ahead and scan or confirm whenever you would like to send out your crypto assets outside of your wallet. All right, so all in all, guys, the thing that I like about this one is basically the aesthetic and having that feel of, you know, the actual metal, which is the stainless steel, and the 24K gold-plated stainless steel version, wherein, you know, if you show this to your friends, it's a swagger, and then you could go ahead and flash it like a credit card. Is something that, you know, they would really, it's embossed, it's really premium, guys. Go ahead and check that one out. I hope this review is helpful, guys, for you to see if this is something that you are interested in. And you can go ahead and check out the description. We have the link to the Ballet website. That way you could go ahead and just click on it and see for yourself, read through, do your own research, see for yourself what are the other things that you could go ahead and check out about this product. And of course, stay until the end screen. More crypto videos are there to flash, and I'm sure that it will be beneficial for you in terms of your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking the like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.